Here we have the single line area is integrator. The frequency in PV and PL is controlled also with the integrator. The gain for the integrator. This gain can also be changed. For instance 5, 4 or 0.1. It's up to you. This gain also can be changed. Also we can get results for delta PV and delta PL. We can rename it as delta PV and delta PL. In the output we are taking frequency deviation delta F, and here we run. Run and check the model. As you see, it is the previous part. This part is for single area power system. Single area power system governor turbine and inertial load with the gain. And check the results. As you see, we have a graph for the frequency deviation. And also for delta P. Also we can get for delta PV. Thank you very much.